In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password from a section in Microsoft OneNote. If you've protected a section in OneNote for Windows and want to lift that protection, I'll walk you through the exact clicks and what to expect along the way. This applies to the desktop version of OneNote on Windows. The key thing to know up front is that you must know the current password to remove it. OneNote can't recover or bypass a forgotten password. Start by opening the notebook that contains the protected section. In the navigation pane, locate the section tab you want to unprotect. If the section is currently locked, click its tab and enter the existing password to unlock it. You'll need to do this first, so OneNote can allow changes to that section's security settings. With the section unlocked and active, right-click its section tab. In the menu that appears, select Password Protection. Depending on your version, it may show as Password Protect this section, but it opens the same place. This will bring up the Password Protection pane, typically on the right side of the window. In that pane, look for the option labeled Remove Password and click it. OneNote will immediately prompt you to confirm by typing the current password again. This confirmation prevents accidental changes and ensures only someone who knows the password can remove it. Type the existing password carefully and choose OK. That's it. The password requirement for that section is now removed. From this point on, opening the section won't ask for a password. Your notes remain intact. You've simply taken away the lock. If you're syncing your notebook to the cloud, the change will sync to your other devices as they update. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see the password protection option when you right-click, double-check that you're right-clicking the section tab itself, not a page. Also make sure the section is unlocked. OneNote won't let you remove a password from a locked section. To confirm everything worked, click to a different section and then return to the one you just changed. It should open immediately with no prompt. If you change your mind later, you can always add a new password from the same password protection pane and set a fresh one. And that's the process. Open the notebook, unlock the section, right-click the section tab, go to Password Protection, choose Remove Password, enter the current password, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your OneNote workflow.